Hitchcock, as you know, he started from silent era. And he had very good experience of making silent movies as well. And when he started making talkies, the talking movies, the first rule of his game was that I will only make my characters speak if I cannot do otherwise. Therefore, he was trying to depend on visuals as much as possible and hold the narrative. Otherwise, in his opinion, if he doesn't do so, or if somebody doesn't do so, there is no difference between a theater and cinema. So that was the first starting point he took. And later on, in the process of defining the talking movies, he made a lot of movies, good movies. The first hit he made was The Man Who Knew Too Much. In fact, that also we screened in our first festival. And that was that K. Sera Sera, all of you remember. That was a hit. That was a big hit, but that was not full Hitchcockian movie in a way. The full Hitchcockian era started with this 39 Steps. And when we say Hitchcockian era, what really it meant? First of all, I will say by that time, he had defined what he wanted to do for the audience. First of all, he thought that I'm a part of them. And while making his movies, he always placed himself as a part of the audience. And he used to watch whatever he was making from the audience gallery. Let's say a few examples I'll give. Let's say if in his movies there are 2 characters or 3 characters talking, or there are 3 actions parallelly happening, he will always bring only one face first to face the audience. He will never do this kind of a thing. There is one character here, there is one character here, they're talking to each other. But he never tried to do that, because when they do so, they are talking to each other, but they are not talking to the audience. So that was one thing which was really a very Hitchcockian style to start with. Second thing, what he used to do was that he used to create montage. What montage would mean is that he will firstly take, if there are 3-4 things happening, he will take firstly close-up of everything happening, every corner, take you there, and then play it in succession. So again, same effect, that audience is always talking to the screen. And next step what he will do is that he will bring a lot of subjectivity in his narrative. He will give you some pieces of information and suck you in. That, oh, this information I have, we have, but that hero or that character on the screen doesn't have. The bomb is going to explode. I know something about it. The audience would think, but that character. So you are following the character. Do you know it? Do you know it? So that's sort of a technique he always deployed. So that is why you find in Hitchcockian movies, you are absolutely sucked into the movie. And that is how he was also able to build suspense also in your mind. And that's what the other characters are going to do. And he kept his narrative very simple. His storylines were not very complicated. Best thing I liked about Hitchcock was that he was one of the master of cinema. He was as good or better than any movie director in the history of cinema. But he took pride in saying that I make movies for the audience. Unless my audience gets back their admission ticket, their dinner, repaid that much money, then I have not made a movie for. And that, well, I don't remember anybody else giving that sort of an importance for audience entertainment, especially those who were the best directors in cinematic history. And that is why I love Hitchcock. And of course, last but not the least, his blondes. He always thought that you can play fear on the innocent face of a blonde better than anything else. And therefore, this was the first movie he started with, 39 Steps. And this movie onwards, you'll find a beautiful lady, mysterious lady, well dressed, but somewhere surrounded by fetish. And you always are watching and tracking her. Everybody is tracking her. What is she is going to do? So that very nicely he used. So all this started happening from 39 Steps onwards, that Hitchcockian era and Hitchcockian style. I hope you all will enjoy this show. Thank you very much.